Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. Indira Gandhi Mumbai Mint 50 paise UNC condition for 100 rupees. Hindi legend Jawaharlal Nehru Kolkata Mint 50 paise for 100 rupees each. 1995 Noida Mint only for 100. Asian Games Mumbai Mint UNC condition for 100. Subhash Chandra Bose UNC condition Mumbai Mint, very scarce coin, only for 300. Aurobindo Mumbai UNC condition only for 300. Deshbandhu Chitrandana Das Noida Mint B Lion, see the lion, this is a B Lion, only for 200. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Mumbai Mint UNC condition, this is C Lion, only for 300. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint AUNC condition 200. Small Family Mumbai Mint AUNC condition 200. Supreme Court Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Grow More Food Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Hindi legend Mumbai Mint Nehru 100. Rural Woman 25 paise Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Rainfed Farming Mumbai Mint BU condition for 300. 1995 and 1996 UNC set for 300 rupees. This is a set for 300. Plant Family Mumbai Mint 200. World Food Day Mumbai Mint BU condition 200. Commonwealth Games Noida Mint BU condition 200. 83 Mumbai and 84 Mumbai 1 rupee, 100 rupees each. This is set 200 rupees. Jawaharlal Nehru Kolkata Mint English legend 200. 1967 Hyderabad Mint extra fine condition. This is a rare coin. See the mint mark. Only for 600 rupees. Youth Year Kolkata Mint UNC condition with proper lion 400. Mahatma Gandhi Kolkata Mint UNC condition 1 rupee 300. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint UNC condition 1 rupee, this is also for 300. Cellular Jail Mumbai Mint UNC condition 200. Commonwealth Game UNC condition Hyderabad Mint 200. Bolu Mumbai Mint BU condition for 200. Subhash Chandra Bose Noida Mint AUNC condition 200. I have 200 rupees each. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj UNC condition Noida Mint 300. Sant Dhaneshwar Mumbai Mint UNC 200. 1946 Mumbai Mint half rupee 300. Mother's Health, Noida, extra fine condition. See the condition, very nice condition. Only for 400. Rare coin. ICDS, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 700. Lal Bahadur Shastri, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, 300. Safe for Development, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 400. Equity for Development, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 300. Food and Work for All, Mumbai Mint, and Food and Shelter, Mumbai Mint. This is the set. Actually this is UNC only, but see little mild, small here you can see, because of that I am giving it. Otherwise this single coin sells for 300, but both for 300 I am giving this. This is a set for 300 rupees. Both are Mumbai Mint. One is Food and Work and one is Food and Shelter. Supreme Court, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Subhash Chandra Bose, Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, 600. Biodiversity, UNC condition, very scarce coin, Mumbai Mint, for 400. Supreme Court, Noida, UNC condition, 400. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 500. FAO, Noida Mint, Mumbai Mint, AUNC condition, only for 300. Railways, Hyderabad Mint, Bolu, BU condition, for 500. Arbindo, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, for 400. K. Kamaraj, Mumbai Mint, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, only for 400. FAO, Noida Mint, plus FAO Hyderabad Mint. This is a set for 400 rupees. This has mild rotation also. This is a 400 rupees set. AUNC condition, Noida Mint, United Nations, for 400. Youth Year, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 500. There are two types you can see here. This is 400 rupees and this is 500 rupees. Both are UNC, but this has a full lion. You can see the lion, 500. And normally all the Kolkata Mint Youth Year comes like this. This is 400 rupees. But some very rarely you get like this with the full lion. So this one is for 500 rupees. You can click the picture this way and send. And this one is for 400 rupees. Supreme Court, Noida, AUNC condition, 200. Food and Work, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, for 400. Shyama Prasad, Noida Mint, UNC condition, 300. Biodiversity, UNC condition. This is a error coin. To show you all the error, beautiful error. See here, ghost image. See this here, solid ghost image is there. Very rarely seen in this ghost image. And UNC condition, normal coin only sells for 400. This is only 100 rupees more, 500 rupees with the error. Very nice collection. 1995 Mumbai Mint A Lion, rare lion variety. This is A Lion, is rare lion in Mumbai Mint. 1995, only for 700 rupees. You can check in the list, you will come to know. Deshbandhu Chitrandana Das, Kolkata Mint. This is A Lion. This is also rare lion variety from Kolkata Mint. See, A Lion, only for 1000 rupees with luster. Ekam 21 Hyderabad Mint, BU condition. See the condition, only for 500 rupees. Small family Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, for 800. This is Kolkata Mint, Agri Expo. Both are UNC condition only. The Agri Expo lion comes only like this. Single coin is 800 rupees, sorry. And both the coin you take 1500 rupees set. This is a very rare coin in Kolkata Mint, not very easily available. This is naturally from the mint only comes like this lion. This is a UNC condition coin. See, 1500 rupees, very reasonable rate set. This is a rotation coin. It's a Dabbu coin. 1 o'clock rotation. Very good condition coin this is. And this is from mint only. This is. And this one is the 50 paise. This also rotation. 1967 Kolkata Mint, very scarce coin. This is set for only 500 rupees. Two rotation set for 500 rupees. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 800 rupees. Quit India Movement, Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, 700 rupees. Black Beauty, Mahatma Basveshwar, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 400 rupees. Extra fine condition, K for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, rare coin. See the proper mint mark. No dent or damage. Only for 500 rupees. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, for only 700 rupees. 1967 extra fine, 67 Mumbai Mint, extra fine condition, rare coin this is, only for 900 rupees. (1983) Kolkata Mint, rare coin, AUNC condition with the luster. Only for 900 rupees. See the full lion. 1947 Lahore Mint, UNC condition, George VI, rare coin, only for 1800 rupees. This is a set 1962, 25 say Kolkata Mint. 1962 Kolkata Mint 50 paise. 1962 Kolkata Mint 1 rupee. AUNC to UNC type condition mix here. Only for 1400 rupees set. Someone want to add? Very good coin. The condition also you can check. Very beautiful condition. AUNC to UNC type condition. 1400 rupees for a set. Click picture like this and send. All Kolkata Mint. 25 paise Kolkata, 50 paise Kolkata, 1 rupee Kolkata. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. This is a lion variety. Noida Mint. C1 lion and C2 lion. This is a set for 500 rupees. Sorry, 600 is written, but 500 only I'll give it for. I like to show you all the set here. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, C1 lion and C2 lion. Okay. One is Noida. This is Noida. See here, Noida. And this is Hyderabad. There it comes in Hyderabad also, it comes in the Noida also. C1 and C2 lion. This is for only 500 rupees set. Noida Mint. Maharana Pratap Mumbai Mint. Rare coin. Plus it makes more rarer because of test mark. See here the test mark on the ya. UNC condition this is only for 1500 rupees. Rare coin. I'll show this. This is a set. Lion set, lion variety set, 1954 Kolkata Mint quarter rupee, lion variety set. See this is small lion, this is a big lion. Only for 300 rupees, set is for 300 rupees. The 50 paisa, 71 Kolkata for 100, 70 Mumbai for 100, 70 Kolkata 100, 62 Mumbai 200, 61 Kolkata 200, 67 Mumbai 200, 68 Kolkata 200, 62 Mumbai 200, 69 Mumbai 200, 63 Mumbai 200. This is a quarter rupee, 55 Kolkata 200, 56 Kolkata 200, 54 Kolkata 200. This is half rupee, 54 Kolkata 200. This is also 200, 56 Kolkata 300, 54 Kolkata 200, 51 Mumbai 200. This is the first strike coin. Chitrandana Das, Kolkata Mint, extra fine condition. Rare coin. rare first strike coin. This is only for 1000 rupees. See the legends, everything clear, and the hexagon, sharp hexagon is there. Sharp hexagon. All the edges are sharp. 1000 rupees only, rare coin. I have some this from the packet I opened. This is like a first strike coins. You can check, like a mirror finish. Only 4 I got from the packet. They are like first strike. See this. Only for 300 rupees each. Hyderabad Mint. 2 rupees. Commonwealth game. Hyderabad Mint. Like a mirror finish. I'll see if I have another normal one. Yeah, see, this is the normal one. This doesn't have a mirror finish. See here, and see this. This is also Hyderabad Mint, but this doesn't have a. You can check. See, only for 300 rupees each. Sorry, this is 400 rupees each. 4 coins are there. Only 4 is there. And I have this lot, aluminium lot, AUNC extra fine to AUNC type, safe for development, food and work, safe for development, food and work, one more safe for development, World Food Day, rural woman, all this is World Food Day. Rare coins, these all rare coins, all for 1000 rupees. 5 paise 4 is there. 4, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16 to 17 coins are there. These all for only 1000 rupees. Extra fine to AUNC type condition. See the luster. And one more lot is there. This is a copper nickel lot. Extra fine to AUNC condition. Youth year, Gandhi, Supreme Court, Noida, Subhash Chandra Bose, Noida, Santa Tiruvalluru, Tamil Conference, 2 rupees. All this is very scarce coins. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. All this is, and Care for Girl Child. One more youth year. I don't know, this is not turning. Anyways, this is only for 900 rupees all. Around 50 rupees only costing you. Very good condition and very scarce coins. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.